Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you're doing well. If you're new, a huge welcome to you. If you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. If you're in the US, are you enjoying the springtime so far? I certainly am. I'm one of the lucky ones. I'm not affected by pollen very much. I'm affected just a tiny bit, but not too bad. I love the springtime because I love flowers and I can't wait for all the blooms to come out. We have a few trees that are blooming and we have some daffodils that have come out, but we're still waiting for the wisteria and some of the other plants. But this channel is not about gardening, it's about beading. And today we're going to be opening up the Softflex Company Mystery Design Challenge Kit. And if you're not familiar with this kit, I'll leave a link down below to the website so you can go check it out. The Softflex Company is a small family-owned business based out of California. They specialize in beading wire, but they also carry other things such as gemstones, beads, findings, and so many other things. And of course, they also carry the monthly mystery design kit. It comes out every month and it retails for $33.95, and it includes everything that you need to make a project minus the tools, of course. Each kit is curated based on a theme, and on the last Wednesday of every month at 3 p.m., the Softflex Company does a live Facebook video where they actually unwrap the kit for that month and make a project. So if you want a little inspiration or you want to find out more about each release, I encourage you to join their Facebook group. I'll go ahead and leave a link to their Facebook group down in the description section of this video, as well as a link to their website. Also, keep in mind that the kit I'll be showing you today may be sold out by the time you see this video because they do sell quickly. So anyway guys, I can't wait to open up this kit. I love the Softflex Company Design Challenge kits, I really do. So let's go ahead, turn the camera around and see what's in this kit. Here we have the Softflex Company Design Challenge Kit. It's their latest release, and I did check the website and the kit is still available as of today, and today is 1 April 2023. Of course, by the time you see this video, it might be sold out. And here's a list of all the contents. As you can see, the name of this kit is Cherry Blossom. Very appropriate for this time of the year. As always, we get a nice spool of Softflex beading wire. We also get some sterling silver crimp tubes and some silver plated findings. And it looks like we get some flower beads. And of course, we always get the Jesse James Beads custom bead mix, which I'm really looking forward to seeing. And we're getting a terra cast pendant and all kinds of other beads. I can't wait to see what's in it. Let's go ahead and open it up. And right away I can see we have spring colors, so that's really nice. Let me take them out of the bag. These are such beautiful pink colors. Oh my goodness, look at this. And I love these. Oh my gosh, I love these. I've worked with these beads before, but not in this color. This is a beautiful spring color. Let me get organized and we'll go through each item. And here we have the strands. As you can see, we have two gorgeous strands of faceted rounds, and then we have these lovely square flower beads. I like this color. This color is amethyst purple, and they're checked faceted rounds, and these are 7mm in size. They definitely have a beautiful coating or a luster. I really love this color. It's beautiful. And I like this one as well. These are the same size, but this color is pink, as you can see. And these beads don't look like they have a coating on top, but they're still very beautiful, and they're definitely very transparent. They're going to coordinate so nicely with these beads. With spring here in the US, this is a very appropriate palette. Let's take a look at these. These are so adorable. I love these. As you can see, they're opaque and they're a very pale pink, but they do have a darker pink wash. The wash kind of looks metallic. I love it. These are so pretty. And of course, it's the perfect thing for spring. And we get a total of 10, and they measure 10mm in size. Let me get some more beads. And here we have some drops. These are 4-sided drops. The color is pink with an AB finish. Let me just put some on my rod. I like to thread them on my rod so you can see how they're drilled. So here's a few of them. Aren't they lovely? They're absolutely adorable. I love that color. It's such a pretty pink color. And I'm not sure if you can see that they do have 4 sides. It's a little difficult to see. Hopefully you can see it. I really love these. I'm already getting some ideas. I can definitely see these strung on a necklace, but of course they would make adorable earrings as well. I'm going to have to think about it. But as you can see, we get quite a few of them, so there's plenty there to work with. And here we have a Jesse James Beads Design Elements bead mix. The name of this bead mix is Cherry Blossom. I absolutely love Jesse James bead mixes. I really do. Let me take them out of the bag. And look at all these gorgeous little beads. Oh my gosh. I absolutely love these. We have all kinds of flowers, and we have some bead caps, and we have some spacer beads. Let me go ahead and sort them so we can see them better. As you can see, I've sorted them into groups. There's so much variety here. I love all these flower beads. One of the nice things about the Jesse James Beads bead mixes is that they usually give you even numbers or pairs, which means that you can make earrings if you want to. And here we have 4 white flowers, and these are very large. They're drilled through the middle, as you can see. That's the back. They're kind of a milky white color, very pretty. And then we have these 2. Aren't these adorable? I really love these. Let me show you how they're drilled. Aren't these cute? They're so cute. They're kind of a light pink color. I'm not sure if you can see that. Let me put something white behind them. Hopefully you can see that they're a little bit pink. Now these are definitely pink. They almost look like little pentagon shapes. And I'm sure that's supposed to be petals, but it looks like a starburst design to me. In any case, I think they're adorable as well. I love them. These look like bead caps. I think they're made out of acrylic, but I love this color. It's such a gorgeous color. They definitely look like cherry blossoms. And here we have some corrugated spacer beads. As you can see, they're in a bronze color, and we get a total of 8, and they look about maybe 5 millimeters across. I love these large rhinestone spacer beads. And here they are threaded on. Hopefully you can see the gorgeous rhinestones. Aren't they sparkly? They're so sparkly. I don't think those rhinestones have an AB finish. They're just clear, but they're absolutely stunning. The faceting makes them sparkle so much. These are flat rondelles. And here's what they look like threaded on. There's a total of 8, as you can see, and they look about maybe 6 millimeters across. The glass also has some speckles, so they may have a little bit of a Picasso effect. Here they are on my white dish. You can see the color a little bit better, and I'm hoping you can see the speckles as well. Aren't these beautiful? I love them. Let's take a look at these pink ones. I'm not sure what they're made out of. They might be polymer clay, I'm not sure. But they're very lightweight. They could even be wood. But I don't think so, because why would they paint wood? I really don't know what they're made out of. They're not glass, but they're very pretty. I can definitely see using these in earrings. They would actually look really cute like this. I'm not sure if that's what I'm going to do with them, but I'll have to think about it. And here we have some metal spacers. As you can see, they're silver in color, and these look about 6 millimeters across. And here we have 2 larger ones. They're nice and heavy, and they look like they have some kind of faceting on the sides. Very nice. And here we have some daisy spacers. They're in a bronze color, as you can see. And who doesn't need daisy spacers? I use them all the time. Let's take a look at these little rondelles. As you can see, they're white, and they do have an AB finish. I don't know if you can see that. And we get a total of 6. Let's take a look at these little ones. These are very tiny beads. I think they're 4 millimeters in size, but they could be a little bit smaller. And here they are on my rod. They have a beautiful luster, and I love this red color. It's so pretty. These are going to give the illusion of berries in whatever design you decide to make. I love these. Look how pretty these are. That's the back side, and that's the front. They have a hole in the middle, so you could definitely pop a bead in there. And since there are two, you could make some earrings if you wanted to. I love these enamel charms. Look at that. We have a couple of flowers. We have this charm with the cherries. And we have these two green ones. Aren't they adorable? Let me show you the back of the flowers. They're a pretty gold color in the back, as you can see. And these are the same on both sides. And let's take a look at these. We have these two faceted rounds, and then we have these two faceted teardrops. These rounds have some plating on a portion of the bead. It's not on the entire bead, it's only on one side. And these don't have any plating at all. But they're definitely a milky white color. They're a little bit translucent, I would say. The round ones are definitely opaque. Very nice. Let me put them back in their little groups. And here we have some filigree bead caps. I love filigree bead caps. They transform a bead completely. Look at how nice these beads look with these bead caps. Aren't they adorable? They're the perfect size for these little beads, but we only get 8. So you would only use them on 4 beads, unless you just put a bead cap on one side only. I've done that many times. So that's the entire bead mix. We pretty much went through each item, and I absolutely adore this collection. And here are some more items. All of these items came in the same little bag. Let's take a look at this pendant. This is a terracast pendant. It's antique silver plated, and it's an Asian coin. Isn't that unique? Oh my gosh. Wow. I wonder if it's real currency. I don't think it is. Maybe it's a replica, but I love this beautiful, unique design. Isn't that gorgeous? Let me give you a close-up. I wish I could read the lettering down there, or the symbols. Let me show you the other side. This is such a cool pendant, it really is. I absolutely love it. And it has a bail, as you can see, so that's nice. Let's take a look at these gorgeous faceted rounds. The facets are very smooth, they're not sharp facets at all. These are called check glass simple cut beads, and I think they're called simple cut because they don't have a lot of facets. The facets they have are very large, and the color of this glass is amethyst and silver. Let me put something white behind them so you can see. Hopefully you can see the amethyst color. They definitely have a beautiful coating of some kind. It almost looks like a goldish color. I love these. Let's take a look at this. And how unique is this? It's a ceramic pink fairy. Let me show you the back. Isn't that cute? I think it's adorable. And it looks like it has a hole through the top there. I'm not sure if you can see that. Hopefully you can see it. This is definitely another very unique piece. I'm going to have to figure out what to do with this. I'm sure I'll come up with something. We have all kinds of choices as far as beads. And here we have some earwire hooks. These are high quality earwire hooks. They're silver plated and they have a little bead on the end, as you can see. I love that. And there's a total of 4. So there's enough to make 2 sets of earrings. And here's a lobster claw clasp. This one's silver plated as well. Very nice. Let me get the last couple of items. And here are the last couple of items. We have some soft flex beading wire and we have some very good quality crimp tubes. I love the soft flex beading wire. As you can see, it's medium weight. The test strength is 26 pounds. The diameter of this beading wire is 0.019 of an inch or 0.48 millimeters. And there's a total of 10 feet in this spool. It's 49 strand beading wire and the color is white quartz. Very nice. I really do enjoy using the soft flex beading wire. It's very good quality. And these are one of the best crimp tubes I've ever seen. And since they're sterling silver, these are very easy to use. They measure 2 by 2 millimeters. I don't want to take them out of the bag because I don't want to drop them everywhere, but hopefully you can see them. If you want to be successful when crimping crimp tubes, you can't go wrong with the soft flex crimp tubes. They truly are good quality and very easy to crimp. Well, that's the full collection, the Cherry Blossom collection. I absolutely adore it. It's definitely getting me in the mood for creating something spring-like. How can you not be inspired with these beautiful spring colors? I'm looking forward to using the Beads in the Design Elements kit. It's a small kit, but it comes packed with all kinds of items. And yes, I did put it back in the bag. It's my way of staying organized in my studio, but when I go to design something, I'm going to pull everything out and lay it out on a mat. That's usually what I do, and they usually stay on my mat for several days until I can come up with a design. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this unbagging. I certainly did. Let me go ahead and put these away, and I'll come back and say goodbye. Well, what did you think? Wasn't it beautiful? Oh my gosh. I love the Softlex Company kits. I really do. Now, I don't know if this one's still available on the website, but I know they have other kits if this one's sold out. So I do encourage you to go to the website and check it out. So anyway, guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'm looking forward to seeing you again. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.